Walking around, feeling free, thinking about...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing some Christmas 2020 decor planning, and I'm so excited to talk all things Christmas with you guys. I did a video like this back in the fall time and you guys really seem to enjoy it. So today we're going to look at my Pinterest board, see where I'm getting all of my inspiration for decorating this holiday season. I've also wrote out a list of different ideas that I have as far as DIYs, my color theme, all of those details. So if you guys need some Christmas decor inspiration, you are in the right place. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of the holiday decorating, and let's go ahead and get started. Don't forget to grab your favorite coffee in a festive Christmas mug. I had to pull this one out. I picked it up at Hobby Lobby this year and I am obsessed with this little Santa. I think it's so cute. Okay, let's start by talking about the general theme of the decor. So I tend to go with a more modern farmhouse, cozy feel for my home, but lately I've been going a little bit more on the simplistic side, trying to keep it more minimal and lots of cozy textures. So that's what I'm also going to do for Christmas this year, and I think it's going to be so cozy. I cannot wait for all of the trees, all of the lights. I'm just so excited. If you guys have followed my channel for a while, I always go all out for Christmas. It's my favorite holiday to decorate for. And I just love when it's cold outside, you come in to a nice, warm, cozy home, have the fireplace on, and all the trees lit up at night. It's just the best. But I think I'm gonna stick with that cozy, modern farmhouse, minimal style for my Christmas decor this year. I'm going to put, I know for sure, 3 big trees up. I'm gonna put one in the office window, that way you can see it from the road when you drive by. I think there's nothing sweeter than driving by a house and you can see the Christmas tree in the window. So I'm going to put one in there, and then I'm also going to have one in our living room, of course. This year I'm putting a flock tree in our living room though, which I've never done before, and I'm really excited. And then I'm also going to put one in our bedroom. This one is our 9-foot tree that was in our living room last year. If you guys want to check out any of those Decorate With Me videos, I'll link them down below. So those are the big trees. I also have tons and tons of little trees. I'm going to put one in my dining room. I'm also going to put one in Brooks's bedroom, and it's going to be so cute. So I think for the theme of each tree, I'm going to switch it up a little depending on the room. So for the office, I'm going to keep it very simple. I think I have like silvers and golds, kind of a more glam look, which is what I was into in the past. Not so much anymore, but we'll see how it goes. I don't think there's anything wrong with just putting lights on a tree either, especially if it's just in an extra room. Lights and a tree, super cozy, and I love it. So that is the plan for the office. For my living room tree, I'm thinking about going very neutral. I'm going to do some yarn garland. I'm going to do lots of DIY ornaments. I'd like to throw some leather in there, and I don't know, I'm just really excited about a neutral color scheme. So lots of whites, maybe a little bit of taupes, we'll see. And then for our bedroom, I'm planning on doing pops of red and white, and then I also have a black and white buffalo check comforter that I always put on our bed for the holidays. So that will be going up in our room, and I'm really excited about it. So probably a little bit more rustic feel in our bedroom. And then for our dining room, again, I'm going to keep it very simple, but for Brooks's tree in his room, I think we're going to decorate Grinch themed, and I am so excited. He loves the Grinch, and I think that will be so cute in his room. So those are the themes of my trees. As far as the rest of my decor goes, I'm going to stick with a very neutral color palette. I'll have a picture up here of some ideas that I have. I'm going to stick with lots of greens, different shades of greens. I'm also going to do lots of white, ivory, and then maybe even some taupes, like I said. And then in some rooms, I'm going to still have those pops of red because that's just a classic Christmas touch that I love. I'm also going to really try to hone in on textures, just like I did for fall. Lots of natural elements, so I want to get some wood stacks. I want to use pine cones. I'd love to make some leather pieces to throw in there as well. And then of course have lots of baskets. I actually got a basket tree skirt for our main tree in the living room, and I am really excited about it. It's this beautiful woven material, and I actually got it from Walmart. So if you guys want to see a Walmart shop with me video featuring all of their Christmas decor, I already have that up on my channel, so I will have that video linked down below if you guys want to see what Walmart has out. They have lots of good stuff. They have leather items, modern farmhouse ornaments, literally anything you can imagine, they have got it. So definitely check out that video if you're in the market for new Christmas decor. Okay, let's talk DIYs. I have so many Christmas DIYs planned and I cannot wait to get started. Some ideas that I have are leather ornaments, and I keep mentioning leather because I pulled a lot of leather pieces in my fall decor and I have just fallen in love. And if you've been following me for any amount of time, you guys know that I love my leather earrings, leather bracelets. I just love that rich leather smell. I even have leather air fresheners in my car and I am obsessed. So it's only fitting and true to myself if I pull in some leather for Christmas as well. And I've seen so many cute ornament ideas on Pinterest that I think will look so pretty on a flock tree, just to have that warmth brought back in. So that's a DIY that I'm planning on doing. Another one that I want to try to recreate are yarn ornaments. I've seen tons of these really pretty crocheted ornaments at Hobby Lobby and different places, and they are a little bit pricey. So I think I'm gonna try to get some either old ornaments that I don't plan on using or clear ornaments from the store and wrapping them in yarn to give that really cozy feel, but not super expensive. So we will do some DIYs making those for sure. I also want to make some name tags for our stockings, so I picked some of those plain name tags up at Hobby Lobby, so that will be in an upcoming video. And I'd also love to make a dried orange wreath or something with dried oranges. I feel like orange clove is so popular for Christmas time, and I've seen where Mrs. Meyer's has an orange scent of soap, so I ordered that in my next Grove order, so that should be coming in. But I feel like orange is a very Christmassy scent, so I think putting some orange either garland or in a bowl or something would be really pretty. I also want to make some yarn trees. I've seen those cone style trees that are really simple and plain, but I figured if we could get some cozy yarn and wrap that around the trees, that would look so pretty next to a fireplace, on mantles, really anywhere. So I'm going to pick up the supplies for that as well, and we will do that one together. And then I also want to make tons of Christmas signs and pillowcases with my Cricut, and I have gotten the Cricut Maker recently and I love it. It cuts through fabric, it does all kinds of stuff with leather, it does regular vinyl, so the possibilities are endless and I'm just getting started with it, but I am having so much fun making my own stuff. It just seems to be a little bit more special whenever you put the time and effort into it. So now let's look at my Pinterest inspiration. I have a Farmhouse Christmas inspiration board, and I have just been saving pins throughout the last couple months, putting them over there. If you guys don't follow me on Pinterest, you can search my name, Kailyn Cash, and I'll also link it down below if you guys want to click on the link. I pin all kinds of recipe ideas, and I actually have all of my home decor on there as well. Things that I posted to Instagram as home inspiration, I have on my Pinterest boards as well. So you can search Kailyn Cash Home if you want to see what I have done in previous years for all different holidays. First, let's talk about hutches. So I found this picture here on Pinterest and I fell in love with it. So I think for hutches, I wrote down a couple ideas that you could decorate with them. This could also go for shelves. If you have built-ins, you could decorate with these items on there, but so pretty and timeless for Christmas. So some of them are bottle brush trees. You guys can get these anywhere. I actually have one behind me. As you can see, I stuck a couple of things out for this video, but these bottle brush trees are really inexpensive. inexpensive. I've seen them at Target in the dollar spot. I've seen them at Hobby Lobby, Michael's, literally anywhere. So you'll be able to pick those up. Those are very cute as fillers, or you can also group them together with different things. Another item are white houses. These are so pretty and give an extra cozy touch because they are ceramic, and usually they have a light, like an LED light inside of them that you can turn on. Again, I've seen these in the Target dollar spot and also at Hobby Lobby. Cutting boards are also really good for hutches or floating shelves in kitchens. If you have an all white hutch, sometimes it can be a little bit dull and a little bit stark white, and to bring that life and cozy texture back into there, you can throw a wood cutting board down and you will be good to go. It will bring so much warmth, such cozy vibes, and you can stack things on it. You can layer it with plates or mugs. You could do so much. But I love in this picture how they have a cutting board and they have a bunch of different white mugs, and in some of those mugs they have Christmas trees put in them. So cute. Love that idea. So plates, mugs, cutting boards, things like that that are kind of kitchen related are really cute on hutches. Another thing that would be neat to find is a vintage sleigh. I do know that the Target dollar spot had a sleigh the last couple of years. It's not really vintage looking, but it is very cute. So you could put a sleigh on a hutch. You could also put bells or a trumpet looking horn. I think that would be really pretty for the holidays. You could also do a nativity scene, or if you collect nativity scenes, you could do a bunch of those in different arrangements in built-in cabinets. Another idea that I got from that picture was a vinyl cover. So I thought this was so neat. You could get any kind of old Christmas movie, old Christmas music, and look for a vinyl cover. Put that on your shelf and it will be so cute. I also have these Santa mugs. I think these would be so cute on floating shelves by a hot cocoa station, different things like that. I got a couple of these. They came in this bigger size, and then they also came in like espresso shot versions that are little. So I've got a bunch of those to decorate. But Hobby Lobby, if you're looking for different colors, this one is the red and white, but they had all white. They also had all pink. They had all mint. I think that's all that I've seen, but they have different colors of the Santa mugs, and I think these are so cute and festive, and I figured I would bring in little pops of red in the kitchen, so I think these will look really good on the floating shelves against that white shiplap. And then of course you could always throw in little mini trees, twinkle lights. You could even do faux or real plants. Lots of different ways you could decorate those pieces, but those are good things to look for whenever you're shopping in the store for Christmas decorations. When I used to go to Hobby Lobby, I would get overwhelmed by all the cute little signs and I would buy a ton of them. Then I would get home and it just seemed kind of jumbled, having one sign that says this right next to another one, and they don't really have the same theme going. They're both very cute, but they just didn't go together, and I would have like 50 of those signs. So I've taken a different approach to my Christmas decor and my Christmas shopping. I try to stay away from the little signs as much as I can unless I just really love it and it's unique. Otherwise, I steer clear and use some more functional items. I'm also planning on doing a hot cocoa station in the kitchen with the floating shelves. I haven't completely decided yet, but I think that's the theme I'm going to go for. I'm going to do a section with like Santa milk and cookies. I also have some Rae Dunn canisters that are Christmassy, so I'm going to have those set out. I'm just really excited to have that whole collection on display for Christmas. I've been collecting Rae Dunn Christmas items for the last couple of years, and I haven't bought anything new, and honestly I haven't been shopping for Rae Dunn in the last probably 6 months, but I still enjoy it and love it, especially during Christmas. The things you could have to the hot cocoa station are jars of hot cocoa, just the powdery mix. You could put those in mason jars, different clear containers so you can see it. You could put some cute labels on it. That would be super cute. You could also have candy canes. You could do crushed candy canes. You could have those little wooden spoons with the chocolate at the end. there's really so many possibilities. The little mini marshmallows would also be really cute. So tons of different ways you guys could have a hot cocoa bar. So we will definitely make that together. And last but not least, I always decorate my tablescape up for all the holidays. So for Christmas, I'm planning on doing two different versions. The first version is going all out. I'm going to have all of the table linen set, all the plates, my napkins, forks, silverware. I might even add cups to this one, and then I'll have a like very grand center of the table type of tablescape. And then on the flip side, I'm also going to do a very simple neutral tablescape. That way it's a little bit more functional for every day. It's not something that I have to take off all the time if we want to eat dinner at the table. If we're having people over and I'm going all out for a party, I'll put out the big spread. Otherwise, we're going to keep it simple. So you'll be able to get two different types of tablescapes in my upcoming videos. All right, and that is it that I have planned for Christmas 2020. I am so excited to start decorating. Let me know down in the comments when you are planning on decorating for Christmas as well. And if you are shopping for Christmas decor, definitely stick around on my channel. I already have up a Walmart shop with me and a Hobby Lobby shop with me. And this week, actually tomorrow, I'm going to a city that's kind of close by me, and I'm going to a super Target. And I cannot wait to shop all of the Christmas Hearth and Hand items. I'm filming it for you guys, so that will be the next shop with me video. I've also filmed a little bit at Michael's, and I also plan on going to Kirkland. So there's still lots of Christmas shop with me videos to come, as well as Christmas DIYs and tons of Christmas clean and decorate with me videos. If you guys can't wait for those videos, make sure to check out last year's Clean and Decorate with me Christmas decorating videos as well. Like I said, I'll have that playlist linked down below if you want to catch up on last year's all things Christmas content. So fun, but stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe, like this video if you are excited for all of the Christmas decor. Let me know how you are decorating for Christmas this year and some of the trends that you are really liking for 2020. Thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate every single one of you, and I hope you have a great rest of the day. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.